Hi guys, welcome to Sabidong Viral TV Adobe Photoshop tutorials. Today, I'm gonna teach you on how to add image on your canvas. First, let's go to File and let's create our new canvas. Let's name it Image. And then let's make it 1920 and 1080 pixels and 300 resolutions and click OK. And now that you had already created your canvas, you can already add image on your canvas. We can go to File to place our image. Select Place Embedded. And let's find the image that you want to use or that you want to edit. Then just click. When you already selected the image that you want to use, you can already click Place. From here, you can already work on your image. You can drag on the corners to resize your image. You can also rotate it. And then just hit enter. Once you hit enter, you have the option to resize your image again. The shortcut key for that is ctrl+t. And then you have the option to resize it again or rotate it again. It depends on the style that you want. Then just click enter. On the other way, you can also open your image directly without changing its dimension. Just go to File, Open or ctrl+O on your keyboard. Then just select your image. And now, you had already opened your image directly without changing its dimension. And now you can already start working on your image. That's all for today. This is Sabidong Viral TV Adobe Photoshop tutorials. See you on our next video. Thank you for watching.